Recently, I created an account with Fidelity, and they mentioned that they have a very good software which is called Trading Plus, and this supports desktop, mobile, and web. Today, I am going to install this software after downloading, and I will check whether this is really a good software or not. So let's see how I download and install. I'm going to share with you. So at first we have to open any browser and then we can access Google. And once we are in the Google, then we can start typing Trader Plus. And once you type there, just hit return key. You'll see like this. So sometimes you may get some ad or sponsored links are there. Don't click over there. Just try to find this type of link. Fidelity Trader Plus free trading platform, and this software is coming from this website fidelity.com. So make sure your link is with this URL fidelity.com, and this part you can ignore. Just click over there and very shortly it will be opened like this. Now here they have some description like that, and then after that we have three options are there: desktop, mobile, and web. I'm going to download for desktop edition, so I'm going to click this on download the app, and it is giving me two options. One is Windows and Mac OS. As I'm using Mac OS, so I'm going to click this download button from this Mac OS. And if you want to check the system requirements, you can also check. Anyway, system requirements I don't need. I need to download and install this one, so I'm going to click over there. And very shortly it is asking, do you want to allow downloads, this thing. This is the Safari option. It is double confirming whether I'm going to download it or not. I have to press the allow so that it will start downloading, and once the download is finished, then we can access from here. So this is the software which is just downloaded. Now to install it, we just need to double click over there, and here it's showing Safari cannot open this file, something because the file is still being downloaded. Okay, so it is showing that it is still downloaded. The network connection was lost. We have to like refresh it. Let's check whether it is able to download it or not. So here I see it's like 250 megabyte of size, and it will take some time. I don't know why at the beginning it is unable to download. Now download is finished. We can access the download folder and we can start the installation. I'm going to open Finder. We can minimize this browser, and we can also close this thing. We don't need it anymore. I'm going to close it, and then let's jump to downloads folder, and here I see Fidelity Trader Plus application is there. So what you need to do, we just need to double click over there, and very shortly it will be opened like this. And also I'm going to close this thing. We don't need it anymore, and we have the clean installation like screen. So here it is showing welcome to the Fidelity Trader Plus installer. We have to press continue button. There is no back button, and this is the beginning introduction. It has like 1 2 3 4 5 steps are there probably. Then just click the continue button, and here is showing standard install on Macintosh SD. So right now it is showing that it will be installed on my hard disk, and it will take 1.07 gigabyte of space on my computer. Okay, that's nice. Then I'm going to press the install button, and very shortly it is asking the password for my Mac. I'm going to type the password for my Mac, and then I'm going to press the install software button, and it will be installed shortly. Probably it will take like 30 seconds. Oh, it's fast. The installation was successful. The software was installed. Just press the close button to complete the installation. And now it is asking, do you want to move the software installer to the trash? Yes, we don't need the software anymore. If we need, we can download later. I'm going to click move to trash, and very shortly it will be removed. Now let's try the software. So there are different ways we can open from the apps also. From here we can open Fidelity Trader, or we can go to Finder, and then we can click the applications. From here we can also find this software is there, Fidelity Trader Plus. I just installed, and today 12:31, so it is 12:32. So we can also double click over there to open it, or the other option is just click this search icon, spotlight search. For Mac it is calling, then start typing Trader, TRA. If you start typing, it will show you Fidelity Trader Plus is there. Just double click over there to start the application. Hopefully very shortly it will be opened. Okay, it is opening. So at first it is asking me to put the username and password. So I'm going to type the username and password for my Fidelity account to log in. Once I type username and password, I need to press this login button, and very shortly, hopefully it will be logged in. Oh, here it is asking to verify my account. So I need to send a text of my account, I mean mobile account. So I'm going to click this button, text me the code. I just got a code and I type the code inside the security code here, and then I'm going to press the submit button, and I'm waiting to log in my account. And here I see the application is open. So in this way we can easily download and install the Trader Plus application on our Mac.